Your doors are more than just entry points. They provide security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic value to your home. But like any other feature of your property, doors wear down over time. If you're a homeowner in Knoxville, you might be wondering whether your doors are still doing their job or if it's time to consider a replacement. Below are the top 5 signs it's time to replace your doors, before they start costing you in comfort, safety, and energy bills. Visible damage and wear are one of the most obvious signs you need a new door is visible wear and tear. Cracks, warping, dents, rust, or rotting wood aren't just cosmetic concerns. They often indicate structural weaknesses. Wooden doors in Knoxville are particularly susceptible to moisture damage due to the area's variable climate, leading to swelling, sticking, or even mold. If you notice your door sticking during humid months or letting in drafts during the winter, it might be time for a replacement. Why it matters. A damaged door compromises your home's security and insulation. Replacing it improves both safety and energy efficiency. Rising energy bills. Are your energy bills creeping up even though your HVAC usage hasn't changed? Poor insulation from aging doors may be the culprit. Older doors, especially those without proper weather stripping or those made of outdated materials, allow air leaks that force your heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Knoxville homeowners, especially during the summer's heat or winter's chill, can benefit from energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and tight seals. Modern doors often come with ENERGY STAR ratings, helping reduce energy consumption significantly. Drafts or temperature fluctuations near the door or feeling a breeze even when your door is closed. That's a telltale sign of a drafty door. Check for air leaks by standing near the door on a windy day or holding a candle or lighter close to the edges. If the flame flickers, air is coming in. Drafts not only affect comfort levels but also lead to uneven temperatures throughout your home. The fix. Replacing drafty doors with well-sealed, insulated models keeps indoor temperatures consistent and your utility costs low. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. A fully functional door should open and close effortlessly and latch securely. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or refuses to lock properly, it's more than a nuisance, it's a safety issue. Shifting foundations, humidity-related expansion, or outdated hardware could all be to blame. In Knoxville's mixed climate, seasonal changes can exacerbate these problems. If adjustments no longer help, replacing the door may be the only long-term solution. Don't wait until it becomes an emergency. A door that doesn't close or lock properly puts your home and family at risk. Outdated style or lack of curb appeal. While aesthetics might seem secondary to functionality, your door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. An outdated, faded, or mismatched door can bring down your home's value and first impression, particularly if you're planning to sell. Today's market offers a wide range of stylish, secure, and energy-efficient doors to match any home design. Whether you're aiming for a classic craftsman look or a sleek modern entryway, a new door can completely refresh your home's exterior. Tip for Knoxville homeowners. Look for doors that complement your home's architectural style and offer advanced features like smart locks, UV protection, or decorative glass panels. Final thoughts. Replacing your door isn't just about appearances. It's a decision that impacts your home's security, efficiency, and comfort. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, don't wait until a minor issue becomes a major inconvenience. A new, high-quality door can be a cost-effective upgrade that adds value and peace of mind. If you're in Knoxville and thinking about replacing your doors, now is the perfect time to explore your options. From energy savings to enhanced curb appeal, the benefits are clear.